Yeah?
Yeah? Yeah. Sugar. You've never had this much sugar before in your entire life.
Ever. And it'll probably be a while before Mommy lets you have this much again.
Probably another year. Eat up. Enjoy.
I was going to say, Mommy will never let you eat a cake like this ever again.
Why not, Mommy? It's the patty cake.
I think Rubber Ducky's going to get a bath too. Is that good?
Well, we got into the blow. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom.
That's the way to do it, buddy. Just get right in there.
Like a pie eating contest with cake.
Is that good?
Mommy, I want to touch things. Where's your white dress?
Nom 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 nom.
Yeah. Want some fresh side here? There you go. Here's some more fresh side.
I was kind of hoping to see him do a face plant again.
Oh, you can have the plate. You want to share? Give some to somebody else? Is that it? No.
Yeah.
Get there. It's chocolate. Get it. That's a big hunk of chocolate, frosting. Shuffle, big hunk. Mommy, I'm going to be speeding so fast I'll be able to take my bath in 30 seconds.
She's going to go in diabetic coma first.
Well, let's hope not.
We'll make sure he gets enough water tonight.
Num num. Grr. Yuck, yuck. Oh, yeah.
Squish. Squish. Squish.
Arr, yeah.
Oh,
it's right into it. Now you put it in your mouth. Oh.
There's a reason why I put that tablecloth down.
Uh-huh. It's actually really good cake.
Oh, did you get some?
Well, yeah, PC dropped. Okay.
Cake. Mommy's taking a cake.